Okay students, now let's do exercise 10C. First question. Find the compound interest on rupees 20,000 at the rate of 15% and for 3 years. Now compound interest has to be calculated, so no need to calculate simple interest first of all, and it is not mentioned semi-annually, so whatever the rate is we write that only. Time will be same, we simplify it. A formula says amount equal to P1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power T. So 20,000 plus bracket 1 plus 15 upon 100 raised to the power cubed. Now when we solve this, LCM will be 100 plus 15, it will be 115 by 100. I make it into a simplest form, 23 by 20. So this 23 by 20 you have to repeat 3 times. 20,000 into 23 by 20 into 23 by 20 into 23 by 20. So when we simplify it, I get 25,417.5. But the question says find the compound interest. So amount minus principal. So 25,417.5 minus 20,000. So this will be the answer of it. Clear all of you? Now question 1, 2, 3, 4 are same, so you do by yourself. Now let me do the fifth question of it. Now fifth question says that find the compound interest on rupees 4,000. P is given as 4,000. Rate is given as 10% and time is 2.5 years. Okay, now in this question, find the compound interest on 4,000 at the rate of 10%, for 2.5 years at 10% per annum. Now students, in this question, it is not mentioned that it is semi-annually. Interest will be charged. If it is not written, it means we assume that it is yearly basis only. And when it is yearly basis, what will happen about this half year? Now look at here. Bank says that 2.5 years, the money has deposited for 2.5 years, and bank says we will give you the interest for year basis only. So for this 2 years, we will calculate compound interest. But what will happen for this half year? If bank will not give the interest, then a customer will be in loss. So bank says that we can't give you compound interest because the year has not completed. This half year is not completed. But we will give you compound simple interest for this half year, so that customer will also be benefited for that. Yes. Now how to calculate for this? So in this case, what we do, first we calculate the amount. We assume we calculated amount for 2 years only. So 4,000 1 plus 10 upon 100 raised to the power 2, because 2 years are completed. So 4,110 by 100 raised to the power 2. So it is 4,000 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. Cut the zeros. It will be 40 into 121. 4840 is the principal. Yes. So compound interest will be 4840 minus 4,000. So interest will be 480. Yes. But the question says that we have to calculate for 2.5 years. After 2 years, the bank balance is 4,840. So this will be the principal for next 6 months. Rate will remain 10% and time will be half year. Now we calculate simple interest. P into R into T upon 100. Cut the zeros. It is 242. If you cut this, 242. So total interest, or we can say total interest will be 840 plus 242 is 1082 rupees. Clear about it? Thank you.